Welcome back, guys. Let's continue with the day 6. Today, the day 6 is about advanced workflow to handling multiple city in one function node. We will learn how to fetch weather data for multiple city, merge the results, and send a single consolidated message via Telegram using n8n. Okay, first step, we have the schedule trigger as usual, and the second will be a webhook trigger. That trigger is new for us and will allow manual execution of the workflow by calling an URL. Let's see. Here on the webhook trigger, we put on the path here trigger manual and we receive this link. Okay, we copy this, the URL, and let's delete this to see how it works. And you see the trigger is not registered. Click the execute flow button on the canvas to be registered. Okay, execute from webhook. You see you have two options here. Execute from schedule trigger, that will activate the schedule trigger, and also from webhook, and that will execute now. Okay, after we execute, we put again the link from manual trigger, and you see workflow was started. That is a manual execution. And now you see both trigger can be connected to the workflow to make it flexible, or manually the webhook, or automatic with the schedule trigger, and this automatically will activate by clicking here. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, now let's continue. You have a merge node. This is the merge node that we have two inputs on here. So here if you type merge, we have the node, the merge node. Perfect. The merge node will connect the both outpost Timișoara HTTP request. Let's execute to see. You see it's still raining, and we have here the city Timișoara. Okay, and the request for Bucharest. Let's execute. Okay, you see it's Bucharest here. Perfect. Let's unite. Let's execute again. Okay. Bun. Also, both HTTP request, the purpose of the second merge node is to combine all the city into a single stream for the function node. Function node is this. Okay. You see we can put on the merge stream how many inputs we want. We have two now because we have two cities. If we have 3, 4, 5, we will choose 3, 4, 5, depend on how many cities we want. Okay, here we have one single node function that will generate message from the both city. You see here the city is for Timișoara and the Bucharest, and you don't need two function nodes here, only one with a single code with different ifs. Okay, let's execute also this, and let's see, and we have today in Timișoara it rain, and the degree, and take an umbrella, and the message today in Bucharest it is, and the weather that is mostly clear. Okay, you see the output here, but in Telegram, when you will send to the Telegram node, Okay, we have like this on single line, but when I receive the message on Telegram, it's perfect on two paragraph different. Test this on Telegram and you will see the result. Okay, so you have two merge nodes, one that will combine both triggers and one that will, and the second that combine the both HTTP request. One function node that absorb the both cities, and finally the Telegram node with the message. Okay, that was all for today. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.